Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Cordova Mathematics, and chapter is going on money. Chapter is going on money. So, we are doing now activity 4. Today's date is 12th of October 2020 and book page number is 115. Students, we are doing in this activity story sums about addition and subtraction. About addition and subtraction. So, question number 1 is our classwork. Question number 2 is our homework. 3 and 4 also are homework. 5 and 6 we will solve in our classwork. These all story sums related to addition and subtraction. So let's start. Take out your notebook and mention today's date. Question number 1 is Shivani bought a perfume for rupees 607.50 and a birthday cake for rupees 67.50 for her friend Gitika. Shivani is a girl and she is purchasing some items. First item is rupees 607.50 perfume and second is birthday cake rupees 67.50 for her friend Geetika. How much money did she spend in all? That means Shivani spent all money. We have to tell. So what we will do in this question? We will do addition of both values. So take out your notebook. Yes, we are doing activity 4 of chapter 11 money. Book page number is 115. Question 1 we already understand. Okay, so we are doing answer. Spent on perfume. How much money spent? Yes, 607.50. Before the amount of money we always put sign of rupees. This one is sign of rupees. Spent on birthday cake. So rupees 67.50. And what we are doing in this story sum? Yes, addition we are doing. So let's start. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. And we have one carry. 7 plus 7, 14. And add carry, 15. Put a carry. 6 and carry 7 and 6. We will put our sign of rupees. Thus the money spent, total money spent, yes, rupees 675.00. That means we don't have any value of paisa. Now come on question number 5. Question number 5 is Ritika buys a table lamp for rupees 812.75 and gives rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper. Ritika is purchasing something? Yes, lamp, and the amount of the lamp is this one and she give to shopkeeper 1000. How much money will the shopkeeper return to Ritika? Because Ritika gives 1000 rupees more than the price of lamp. So shopkeeper will return money to Ritika. So we have to find out how much money he will return to Ritika. Let's see. Take out your notebook. Question we already understand. Okay, what about in our question? Answer is amount given to shopkeeper. Ritika gives to amount to shopkeeper rupees 1000. Okay, and we don't have any value of paisa, so we will put after point 20. Next, cost of a table lamp. What is the cost of table lamp? 812.75. and in this story sum we are doing subtraction. We are doing subtraction. I told you before, students, also we always do subtraction in different type. Okay, so let's start. We have double zero here and 75. Double zero is less than by 75. So what we will do? We will took a borrow from 1000. 1 rupee we will took borrow from 1000 and it will become 100. Now it will become 100 and 1000 gives borrow 1 rupees. So if we subtract 1 from 1000, what number will come? Yes, students. We are doing here, if we will subtract 1 from 1000, what number will come? Yes, 0 we have and we have to subtract 1. We will take a borrow from 0, but this one is 0. So we will take borrow from 1 and it will become 10. 10 gives borrow to 0. It will become 10 and it will become 9. It will become 9 and 10 gives borrow to 0. So it will become 10 and this one will be 9. And 10 minus 1, what number will come? 9. We have here 9. So 9, 9. 1 gives borrow to 0. So we don't have any value here. So this one is 0. The number is 999. If we subtract 1 from 1000, the number will come 999. Okay, students, you can do in your rough work also. So let's start. 1000 gives borrow to 00 and it will become 900. It will become 999 and this one is new value. This one is new value. Okay, students. Now we will subtract from this number, not from this number. Okay. Understood, everyone? Yes. We have 100 here and 75. What number will come if we will subtract 75 from 100? Yes, 25 will come. Point. Now we have 9. We will subtract from this number. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So, Ritika took or shopkeeper will give rupees 187.25 paisa. Thus, the shopkeeper will return amount. What amount return? Rupees 187.25. Now come on question number 6. Let's see what are question number 6. Question number 6 is Shishir receives rupees 500 from his father. Father ने क्या किया? 500 दिए. He spends rupees 210 on a leather belt and he is spending on some items. First is leather belt. The amount on leather belt spent rupees 210. Next, purchasing wallet. 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 On wallet is spending rupees 150. He is spending 150. Amount gives by his father 500 and spending on two items. First, leather belt is 210. Second is wallet 150. How much money is left with him? Now we have to tell what the amount left with him. First of all, what we will do? We have to find out the how much money he spent in both. So what we will do in this question? We will add first of all the both numbers. After that, we will subtract. Let's see our solution. Question number 6 we are doing money spent in belt rupees 210. Money spent in wallet rupees 150. How much amount spent in total? Yes, 0, 5 and 1, 6, 2 and 1, 3. 360 rupees 360 spent in both items. Thus, the total money spent. And father gives him, yes, 500 rupees. 500 rupees. So, how much money is spent? Money given by father, rupees 500. Total money spent, rupees 360, and we are doing in this question subtraction. 0, 0. Now we don't have any value of paisa. So this one is easy to solve. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6, can we subtract? No, we will take a borrow. 10. It will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. It was 5, but 5 gives borrow to 0. Now we have here 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Now, money left with him, rupees 140. Sorry, 140 rupees spent left with him. Okay students, this was our video about activity 4 of chapter 11 money. Question number 2, 3 and 4 is your today's homework. Okay students, I hope you all are understand. Thank you so much.